I think pag nakita na yung nangyari, ipapasa nila dito sa 911 who will rescue us.
One is the first 911 system in the whole Asia. 911 also here in Davao City is free of service, unlike any other countries na may membership and registration. And 911 here are known to be, we are giving our best to give Davaoenyo. Even masking hindi Davaoenyo, we are giving our services first. So we have this, all our...
So ayan, ayan guys.
Yes. Monitoring, meaning all the incidents, accidents, weather forecast is happening in your front. Nakita nyo lahat dito. First, our coastal area, it can zoom up to 1.5 to 3 kilometers even Samal or Strawberry Samal. Nakikita ko natin dito.
Oh, so makakita yung swimsuit.
Cameras in Poblacion area. So by that, we can have our own weather forecast or localized weather forecast. Our mga equipment for state-of-the-art fire truck, search and rescue, technical incidents na events, water, high-acting rescue.
Hindi dapat kumpilahan.
Pagdalag ano?
Para alam natin kung pag-inilap nila. Kita ang 911 na series. Oo. Kaya tayo na series. Kita po ko. Di ba?
Kaya? Kaya mo?
Sa tigilis na guys. Let's go. Paano sa ang oxygen ko para sa
So, you know,
ano na yan?
sige, magtakbo.
Mabigat siya. Thank you.
Dapat masuot mo lahat. So, ako 1 minute ito pa lang.
Ma'am, labas po mo na lahat, ma'am.
Siya na. Ayan, complete. Ayan, kumusta kayo dyan, guys? Kumusta kayo?
Super init.
Super init ngayon, but it's okay kasi umuulan.
Sa Davao, naka-eskwela na sila, they're educated. And mostly sa kanila is teacher. And sila din yung natuturo sa mga paralan doon sa bukid. So, siya ang founder.
Senyor.